Hello programmers. In this chapter, we will implement the functions and use them. First, we define a new dict containing the function information. This holds the dictionaries of function parameters and code blocks. Perhaps return was called while processing the true block of the if statement. This is how we understand it. If the function we are in has a variable named retval, it means that return has been called. Let's add the same to the false block of the if statement. Let's add the same to the while loop. I forgot while I was typing, but we have to pop the last element from the loop stack before exiting. As we do not use while loop in this video, it's okay for now. Return statement. It is an error if the return statement is used outside of any function. Here we are returning a value. Return without a value. Function definition. Function name, parameters, and code block respectively. Let's pack our function and register it. Calling of a function. First, let's create the function scope. We bring our function. First of all, let's go through the parameter definitions of our function and calculate the values of local variables from the parameters passed to the function. We add the function scope to the heap list. Now we can run the code block of our function. If return is called, we exit the loop. Let's get our return value if any. We remove the function scope. We return the value. Let's test it. We define the Fibonacci function. Let's calculate Finobaxi 15. Let's try using the wrong return and see if it will give an error. Again, we encountered an error. The 1 over there will actually be index. Let's run it again. And here is the result we were hoping for. See you in the next chapter.